So in this video, we're going to talk about how to use the voice commands and voice control on the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. I like using the voice commands on this, especially for mountain biking when the camera is in like an awkward to get to position, like on my helmet or my chest. I don't really have instant access to it, so I can just literally use the voice commands that are built into the camera, then the camera will perform the actions I'm looking for. So I'm going to switch the camera around now, and I'm going to show you how to set voice commands up and show you how to use them. So first things first, once your camera is turned on, we're going to swipe down from the top of the screen and we're going to go to the gear icon at the top right. You'll see here, sorry, the sun's in my eyes. You'll see voice controls here. So you're going to click that. And you'll notice how you've got different languages that are already built into the camera. We want to turn voice control on here. Tap that, it'll go green. And I'm going to choose English because that's what I natively speak and use. And I'm going to click voice commands. And you'll see here the list of different voice commands that are already built into the camera. So these are really useful for start recording, stop recording. Oh, it's already started doing it. Stop recording. a bit of a blooper there. I'll just scroll down and go back to the voice commands. So you can see here the different commands we have. I'm not going to say it because it'll start it. But then you'll notice there we have the voice commands. And then you want to just come back. And whenever you want to use the voice commands, all you have to do is say those words. So, ready? Start recording. Stop recording. Take photo. Shut down. So I find those voice commands really, really useful. Like I said, especially when the camera is in some awkward places and I can't get to it easy. And you just need to capture that shot or start or stop recording, or even just save battery and shut your camera down. Really easy to do. Hopefully that's useful. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you need any more video tutorials, make sure you check out some of the other videos on this channel for action camera tutorials.